Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to display WhatsApp Web on the Windows 11 desktop screen without installing the application. If you want to know how, follow the steps in this video to find out the steps. The first step, please open one of the Google Chrome on your laptop. Then you can immediately open WhatsApp Web on Google Chrome. Next, you can change the name of the WhatsApp Web that will be displayed on the desktop screen according to what you want. I gave an example of giving a name like this. Now I have succeeded in displaying the WhatsApp Web icon on the desktop screen, without installing the application.